be really hard to know how to get started and where to get started when you are in the first stages of promoting products either on a brand new YouTube or on your website. A lot of people don't know where to go. Where do I find products? Where do I find affiliate programs, and how much do they pay? So in my channel, I've been doing tons of reviews lately about different affiliate programs. I think it can be really hard in the beginning when you're learning so much about promoting products. Like, how do I do it? And what are the best ways? And so to be saddled with this other decision about how to find products, it can be really overwhelming, and it can cause people to just quit outright. And so one of the things that I think you should think about when you're picking out products to promote in your promotion strategy is just starting with things that you know. And you may walk around your house and say, well, what is it that I know? Like, what is it that I know how to do? What it is that I know how to promote? I don't have things to promote. Well, here's a suggestion for you. I think you should look at the companies that you shop at and see if they have an affiliate program. And I'm posting this up here because it's not because I think it's funny. I think it's that it is actually kind of a neat way to get started. Even Walmart has an affiliate program. If you are someone who shops at Walmart because you like to get good deals, like, why not become a Walmart affiliate? One is you're in the store all the time and you see what products they have. And while you're in there, instead of buying the product, you can touch it, you can feel it, you could even test it out in the store so that when you go on video or you write about it on your blog or your website, you've actually handled the product, and that makes your video so much better. You know, is Walmart like the best affiliate program that exists out there? No, I'm not going to say that, but you know, I put it kind of on the same place as Amazon, but with one difference. When you are an Amazon affiliate, it can be really hard to actually get access to the product that you're promoting, like really directly getting access to it without buying it. But if you have a Walmart store in your town, you can go there and you can touch it and feel it and, you know, make notes so you can make your review, and that can actually put you ahead as far as where you are at in your authenticity and the quality of your reviews. Now, I'm in here showing you, I guess I'm just talking, and the frequently asked questions about Walmart. You know, they have the program. It's free to join, so it's not pay to play, which I think is important. The only thing that I don't like too much about it, aside from the fact that it's Walmart, and I think there are a lot of other businesses that you could support, is that the commission structure is just not that high. I mean, it's not any necessarily better or worse than Amazon, although Amazon does have some commissions that are between the 5 and 10% range, but with Walmart, most of the commissions are under 5%, so most of them are 4% or 1%. So you could earn quite a bit of money if you can get traffic coming through your website, and a lot of traffic, and you can look for good deals, and you know, you can find ways to promote Walmart products, but the commissions are just not as high as they would be if you were promoting digital products. But then again, when you're just getting started, I do think it is really a good idea to start with products that you can touch and feel and see. And in the beginning, when you don't necessarily know a digital product that well, or you aren't that familiar with what it is that you're promoting, it's really hard to make good content around a product that you don't know. So I don't know that you should just run down and become a Walmart affiliate, but at the same time, if you're really struggling to get started and you need that extra benefit of having the product in your hands to create a good review about it, or to create content or how-to videos about it, and you don't want to buy it or you can't afford to buy it, why not go down to Walmart? Why not go down and touch the shirt and, you know, like, I don't know if you can do this, but throw up your phone and do, you know, a quick snapshot of you touching it, or, you know, a review of you. Have a friend, you know, sneak a 1 minute's worth of video of you actually holding the product and saying how awesome it is, or not. Don't use this other thing. It definitely will make your reviews a lot better. Anyway, this was me talking about the Walmart affiliate program. It's not one that I'm going to join, because I am more focused on digital products, and for a lot of reasons I'm not focusing on physical products right now, but it may be a good option for you if your content is focused highly on physical products. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.